I mean, there is, but there's also a majority view that Prime Minister Netanyahu, according to a poll published in the Times of Israel, cares more about holding power than actually bringing this war to an end or getting the hostages released, and that there are a number of good reasons for him not to want that war to end, not least because he'd be facing corruption charges when it's over and would be held to proper account for allowing October the 7th to happen on his watch. Many people think you should have elections sooner rather than later in Israel, and that if that was to happen, somebody like you might well come through and take over, and that might be a good way to try and get through this and try and bring this war to an end, get the hostages out, and end all this.
I agree.
That's Naftali Bennett. Thank you very much indeed for joining me.
אני אפס בסך הכל